Day 87 challenge. Parents, let's see how ESP works for kids. One, how they are going to identify cards with blindfold. Kana, you have to say what is on the both sides of the cards. Okay? Yes.
Sky blue.
Sky blue. Yes. Okay. What is there at the other side?
Jerkin.
Okay. Now let's check out num. Okay. What is there? What is there on both sides? Possible colors.
Brown color.
What is written on the card?
21.
Okay. What is on the other side?
21 pins.
Brown color, 21 number, 21 pins. Great. Let's check out this.
Pink.
Pink.
Rose.
Okay. Pink, rose. Nice. Can we go for this?
F.
F. What's the color?
Purple color.
Okay. Purple. F. What is it on the other side?
Fish.
Fish. Purple F and it's fish. Great. Can we try one more number here? Okay.
Seven.
Color?
Peach color.
Okay. What's on the other side?
Bird.
Bird, yes. Peach, 7 and there are 7 birds here. Great. Nice. Don't wait. Give your child a strong foundation today. The world's best library enrichment program from Japan, now in India.